It is tragically official. An autopsy confirming it is the body of 16-year-old Kiely Rodni, that divers found in a car in a Truckee reservoir. The teen disappeared after a party 2 weeks ago at a Prosser Family Campground. Despite weeks of searching, the Placer County Sheriff's Office couldn't find her or the car. But on Sunday, a team of cold case specialists searched a nearby reservoir. They found Rodni's car with a body inside. The Sheriff's Office officially confirmed that her identity today. How the car ended up there is still being investigated.